Alright everybody, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to make some fire starters here as the spring rolls in and everyone's going to have their campfires out. Let me show you how to do this. The things we're going to need are some used little Dixie cups from your bathroom and leftover wax. We have, candles that were unfinished or burned down to whatever was left, or even some Maker's Mark wax from the top of their bottles. What we're going to do is we're going to throw this on the fire, get these melted down. Our sawdust here and some shaved wood from some packing, and just put it all together. Alright, it is melting along here, as you can see. It's getting kind of watery. Let's get the cups prepared. Alright, first thing is I'm going to lay out some of these cups. Again, save your spit cups. Don't throw them away. And then I'm just going to fill it up with good old used up sawdust here. Easy peasy. And these will burn for about 15 minutes straight once we get the wax on here to kind of seal them up. So, alright, be back. Alright, there you have it. That's the wax. Looking pretty good. Alright, I get these close together as much as I can, and then I got one extra cup here. I just scoop out some wax, pour it right in. Just cover the whole thing so nothing leaks out. I'm going to try to use this up. Alright, let's let these dry, see what happens. Alright everybody, check out this video on how to use these fire starters that we make. You'll see a little rip here in the corner. You're going to take your lighter and just light these two little ends when you have this ready to go into your fire bundle. Alright, when you're ready by your fire bundle, you take your little fire starter and you see these two little ends. You want to light those up. It won't take long to get those going. And now you are in the clear. Alright, set this down right over there as that gets going, and you're going to get about 15 minutes of uninterrupted burn right there. Obviously, once the fires engulf the starter, then it'll probably just melt. But this is an opportunity. You can just load up your wood right on top, and I promise it will ignite.